Hi everyone, it's Wednesday and we're continuing to learn about 2D shapes. We are learning to investigate the effect of one-step slides and flips with and without the use of digital technologies. We can identify lines of symmetry and use shapes to make a line of symmetry. We continue to use our vocabulary words, including shape, two-dimensional shape, circle, triangle, quadrilateral, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, orientation, features, symmetry, slide, flip, turn, full turn, half turn, quarter turn, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's have a look at the properties of two-dimensional shapes. Some of the words that we use to describe shapes include curved. You can see the curved line here. We might talk about the different sides being longer, shorter, two-dimensional, sides, equal, length, symmetry, vertices, and straight edges. Symmetry. If a shape can be folded in half so that one half fits exactly on top of the other, then we say that the shape has got symmetry. The fold is called a line of symmetry. Let's look at the symmetry of a circle and the properties of a circle. How many curved sides does it have? How many vertices? How many lines of symmetry? And how many pairs of parallel lines? Let's take a look. One curved side, no vertices. It's got an infinite line of symmetry. Take a look. And how many pairs of parallel lines? None. That's right. Let's look at a triangle now. How many straight sides? 3. How many vertices? Also 3. How many lines of symmetry? Do you know? Up to 3 lines of symmetry. And how many pairs of parallel lines? None. I wonder if you can do the next one yourself. A square. How many straight sides do you think a square has? I bet you can quickly do it. How many vertices? You should be able to do this one too. How many lines of symmetry? So how many times can we fold it in half? We can fold it in different ways and it still be exactly the same on both sides. And how many pairs of parallel lines? Let's have a look. 4 straight sides, 4 equal lengths, 4 vertices, and 4 lines of symmetry. And 2 pairs of parallel lines. Trapezium. How many straight sides? 4 straight sides, 2 equal length sides. 4 vertices, and 1 line of symmetry. And 1 pair of parallel lines. How many straight sides of a rectangle? Can you work it out? How many vertices? Have a think. How many lines of symmetry? And how many pairs of parallel lines? Let's get your answers in your head and let's take a look. 4 straight sides, 2 long sides and 2 short. 4 vertices, 2 lines of symmetry, so different to a square, and 2 pairs of parallel lines. Let's look at a rhombus. How many straight sides? 4 straight sides, 4 equal lengths. How many vertices? 4 vertices. Lines of symmetry? 2 lines of symmetry. And how many pairs of parallel lines? 2. All right, let's look at a pentagon. How many straight sides? 5 straight sides. That's why it's called a pentagon. Pent is for 5. How many vertices? 5. How many lines of symmetry? Let's take a look. Wow, 5 lines of symmetry. And no parallel lines. Hexagon. How many straight sides? 6 straight sides. How many vertices? 6. How many lines of symmetry? Can you guess? What do you think? How many times can we fold it so that it's still the same shape? 6 lines of symmetry. How many pairs of parallel lines? 3 pairs of parallel lines. Okay, your activity today that will be on the Google Classroom is a symmetry activity where you need to cut out each shape and fold it exactly in half as many ways as you can. So when you do this, you can draw it if that's easier. So if you're not able to print out these shapes, that's perfectly fine. You can actually maybe use a ruler if you can, or a straight edge, so that you can draw the lines really straight. It's a little bit tricky when we're not folding the paper, so we need to try and make those really straight edges and see how many lines of symmetry each shape will have. Now it is your turn. Complete the 2D3 Wednesday PDF. Either print and cut it out, as I mentioned. Number 2, watch the symmetry videos below to help you with understanding of symmetry. So the first one is just a fun, active one. The other one, it goes for quite a long time, but it'll give you a good understanding of symmetry. So where you can use it, not just for maths, but all around you, you can see symmetry. Okay, good luck with everything today. Bye.